Hi YouTube, I am Dylan. I do art for a living, and in today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Princess Tiana from Disney's The Princess and the Frog. So grab a pencil, a nice piece of paper, and let's begin. So we're going to start with a basic circle for the top of Tiana's head. And like I always say in my videos, draw loosely and lightly. So that way, when you commit to the drawing in the end, it will be hard to see your early mistakes. And then we need to draw her chin, which will go like this. And then we need to put in the center lines, down where the middle of her face will be, and a line going across to know where her eyes will fall. And then right down here, this is where her neck will be. And then we need to draw like a half oval here for her ear. And then we need to maybe put like a sort of a half circle here for her, or almost a moon. Sort of a moon at the top, like a sideways, upside down moon, to indicate where her hair begins. That's just a guide. And then we're going to put like a circle up here for, or actually two half circles for her bun. That's just a guide for her hair. Now it's time to draw her facial features. We're going to start with her eyes. And her eyes, like most of these female human eyes, they're kind of these almond shapes. And remember to make the top side a little thick because we're going to put eyelashes on them. I'm going to get the bottom side. This one's going to be a little bigger. Then I'm going to thicken the top. And I'm going to put an eyelash there. I'm going to get her eyelids and the other eyelash here as well. And then we need to draw her nose. So you can start with a very light circle and then put these two half circles on both sides. And then you darken in both sides. And then you're going to put a curved line right here. It's almost like a comma, followed by an upside down U right there. Then put a line right there for the rest of her nose. And then we need to put in her eyebrows, which will go like this. Then we're going to darken those eyebrows up. the rest. And then we color the rest of the eyebrows in. Maybe put a little more detail on those eyelashes. Maybe then we can put a little more side on. Then we'll maybe get the rest of her chin. And her neck. Now let's define her eyes. So you're going to start with these circles for her irises. Just need to darken them and make sure don't make them too big. And then you're going to put a slightly smaller circle inside for the pupil of her eye. And the same thing with over here. And don't forget to put a little white spot on the top right, on the top left, sorry. Those are the highlight marks. And then you color everything else in. And then we need to draw this kind of V shape because we're going to put her lips in. And then followed by these two lines. It's almost like a stretched out M shape. And then you need to curve them up like this. Then you're going to bring another V shape down like that. And then you put the U shape. And make sure you have these curves to make it look like she's smiling. And now let's get her ear. First, she's got an earring on, so you're going to draw this kind of sort of teardrop shape or an egg shape, just like this. Then we get the rest of her ear in. Then you're going to like put as the outer rim of the ear. Then right here, you're going to draw this kind of backwards S shape. And then you're going to put another one. That's like a hair flock that sticks out. Then you can just darken everything else. Then we're going to get the back side of her hair. And then we need to bring this curve up. Actually, we need to put the other flock, like another backwards S, followed by a really round end. And make sure it gets thin in the sides, but a little thick in the middle. And you bring it over like that. There's the curve. Then you're going to put in this side. Then it's going to curve all the way over like that. But before we get to the rest of her hair, she's got a tiara on. So what you do, you're going to draw another kind of moon shape that goes like this. With a straight line there. And then, to make the tiara look like it's going inside her hair, draw this line across and then leave some space between them. And then put another one there. And then she's got these leaves that go, and there's 5 of them, and they go like this. There's one in the middle. They usually like get from small to big. 2, and here's our 3rd one, 4th one, and 5th one. They go from small to big. And then put these leaves that go like this. And then put these lines that go in the middle of the leaves. They look like brooches, like clasps. No, not clasps. Like stems. Yeah, stems. If you have it's fall season, so if you see them, you'll know what I mean. And then you're gonna get the rest of her hair here. And then we're gonna draw the other part of the bun of her hair that goes like this. And then, if you want, you can maybe put a little detail in her hair if you'd like some curves and maybe a few straight lines. Maybe put some shadows on her face. And maybe some on her eyes. And then maybe put some underneath her neck. And, ooh, we should also put some on her lips. maybe go over her eyes a little more. And there you go. That is Princess Tiana. I hope you had fun with your drawing, and if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.